What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Behind me today, a video that we know so many people have been so excited for. The G01 platform for the X3 and X4 M40i has huge potential because it's got the B58. With the B58, that means some serious opportunity for some great sound. In this video today, we're going to showcase this X3 M40i. It's got our full Valvetronic exhaust and it has the OEM downpipe still equipped. So we're going to show you startup, we're going to roll it out of the shop here, do revs, flybys, interior footage, GoPro on the rear bumper, we're gonna do launch control, and we're gonna show you guys why this X3 behind me is the best sounding out there because it's got the best exhaust solution. These cars are extremely fast with the right tune and they sound phenomenal with the right exhaust. Hope you guys enjoy the sound. Let's get to it. Boys and girls, have we created the best sounding B58? Let's see. Everybody's been asking us what the setup is and why this X4 M40i sounds a heck of a lot better than the rest, because it's got our Valvetronic Designs full sport exhaust system on this car. Now you can hear the pops behind me, they're really aggressive. Such a fun B58 experience. This is such a great and well-rounded SUV, but you want to definitely have some fun with the sound. So full exhaust system, unrestricted, 3.5-inch midsection, and it runs duals all the way back to a set of beautiful carbon fiber tips like fitted on this vehicle, or whichever tips you fancy for the rear of your X3 or X4. But this full system unlocks such a hidden potential in these B58s. The factory exhaust is a center resonator and then the large rear muffler. This is a free flow bypass system. Man, it sounds good in here. This car is running the OEM downpipe right now, and you get tons of cracks, tons of overrun aggression, and the on-throttle sound is really, really aggressive. So it's super fun. You find that it's a lot more engaging than an M Performance type sound. And of course, with the Valvetronic theme, put the car in comfort. Bone stock goes back to being an X3 with the N24 cylinder. You'd never know that this car has such an awesome sound potential because of the flexibility of this exhaust. So if you guys are looking for the ultimate experience for your X3 or X4 M40i, we always say these systems are very expensive because we've done our engineering to make sure this is the ultimate sound experience for you. So enjoy the full sound profile in this video, and check us out at Valvetronic.com if you're looking to make your X3 or X4 sound as good as this.